Welcome back to Totally Flip. Today I'm doing the new company car. I've decided to sell my other TT, so that's going to be the new car that we're going to be using, or I'm going to be using. I bought it in on Monday. Needed a new side window, which I've installed. Just need to buy a clip to go onto the door to hold the door card on, which I'm hoping to pick up tomorrow. I've done it in wine candy pearl, which is nice. I'm going to gloss these up as well, and I've done the calipers in Nardo grey, which is nice. I will lower it as well because it's a little bit high. There's the front wheel. I think it's quite nice. It's not bright red. It's quite a nice colour. It does change a little bit, but it's a pearl rather than a chameleon where it changes. So yeah, so the TT is going to be the new company car to go along the S3. It's in really good nick for 2001. Just spent the day polishing it. I've had a look underneath and it's had loads of work done on the suspension, so as I say, I say the suspension, the arms have been done, so I'm just going to buy new lowered suspension coilovers probably to go on there. But it does sound nice. It's got a nice turbo swell sound to it. So yeah, that's the new car. So I've just done the wheels. Look, I've done the Focus RS wheels. They're in chameleon green with the purple, and this is obviously candy wine pearl. I did really want to go for candy apple, but they didn't have it. So if you want any good spray paint for your wheels, I buy my stuff from Matte Pack, and he's a good guy, gets it out within about 2 days. It's about 50 quid in total for to do 4 wheels, but I always have loads of bits left over, or loads of spray left over, so I can do other bits as well later on. I've obviously got to refurb those wheels over there, so I could always do those, but that's why I call myself, or the member club now, as Totally Flipped, because I like the way they flip colours when you're driving, and these will flip as well, just not as much as like those, changing from green to purple, but they do look nice when glossed, so we just got to gloss these ones up and the ones on the car. It's looking good so far. So come back for more of the car reviews and repairs, and please subscribe, leave comments of what other jobs you think I could do. Thanks for watching, and see you all, goodbye.